What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the speakers on my 2016 Mazda 3. Any of you that follow me on Instagram have seen my Instagram story by now. You would have seen that the speakers blew out when one of the renters. So yeah, I got these speakers from KICKER. Got the speakers from KICKER. They came with their own bracket, but we're not going to need it. These are what the speakers look like. Let's see. I also have this because the wires that came with this don't plug directly into the speakers. So I got this so we can do plug and play. I'll show you how when we get there. I also got this bracket because the OEM speakers connect directly to the bracket and you can't take them off, so you have to get this bracket. I'll link everything on Amazon. See, for your tools, a flathead screwdriver, a regular flathead screwdriver, a regular screwdriver, and your 10mm to get the actual speakers out and to put them back in. To get your door panel off, you're gonna have to take out this screw right here. The plastic, there's a plastic that covers this up. I already went ahead and took that out with a screwdriver. You can also use a pry tool. And then there's a screw right here. There's also a rubber, like something that protects that. You have to take that off as well. Pretty easy. I just use my hand to take it out. You use that. You take out the screwdriver with that. Today we're going to be doing the front two, driver side door and the passenger side door. I'm just going to show you this side, and it's the same on both sides. So stay tuned. Let's get it. Comes right out. It's pretty easy actually. And there you have. You have to remove these two clips. It's relatively easy. What you do is this piece right there, press it down like that. Good thing I didn't cut my nails, because if you didn't have, you probably use a screwdriver to press it, but press it down, presses that in and releases the clips. And you can leave that. Just make sure that they don't go too far in. I'm gonna put the control on the chair here so it's nice and secure. And with that taken off, we can start to pry out our door panel. Ouch. And there you have it. I'm off. Be careful when this is coming out. But this is that screw that we took out from the back. So yeah, and now we get to the speakers. Oh my god. It is absolutely destroyed. What what is this? What even is this? What were you playing, sir or ma'am? Absolutely destroyed. Comment down below if you've ever seen that before. Take this clip out, and this plugs into there. Plug into there. Those go into the speakers because the OE one goes directly into that. And you see the bracket that I was telling you about? 10 millimeter, 10 millimeters to take it out. Let's take it out and put the new one in. But oh my god, what is that? Because this is all one piece, so everything plugs in. You can't take this out because it's the same plastic, and those are the connectors. So yeah, out with the old. All right, we have the speakers attached to the bracket with the screws. What it looks like from the back, and that's where the connector goes. This space right here is so you can slide your cables through. Just like that. And it's not going to go through, it's not going to fall through. That goes into there, and this plugs into, it's already labeled. The white goes into the white one, the red one goes into the red one. Just like that. Pull this one down. I think my speaker is upside down right now. I hope that doesn't affect the sound. Let me know if it does. If you guys know anything about that. And I don't mind taking it out and changing it out if it does. But you hear the click, and you're all done. I'm gonna put the panel on and do a sound test. All right, put that on. Clicks as well. Oh, all done. Now we're gonna do the other side, and then we'll do a sound test. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.